Here I'll briefly explain how you can run an EMDR session with Emdrip without needing any other hardware or tools. First, you select your client here in the top left, or you add a new one. Next, you choose whether you want to run the session in person at your practice or remote online with video transmission. Then you enter the protocol here and you click on Start Session. What's special about Emdrip is that you have a body map here. You can mark and save any of your client's physical sensations here. Another special thing about Emdrip, you can enter the text into the fields here using voice input. That means you don't have to document by hand or do extra typing here. The spoken word is automatically transferred into the fields here. Here on the right side, you can then control the bilateral stimulation. You can completely individualize and adjust it here. You can create a custom BLS profile together with your client so that you can use it again and again in future sessions with the same client. You can choose between 3 different stimulations here. First, the animation, which you can also add sound to. Then here is the tapping guide, which your client can follow. And you can also work with sounds only. You can control the movement here. You can adjust the speed. You can choose the sounds to be played here, and so on. If you want to run a session in person at your practice, then you can copy this link up here and send it to another device in the practice. You then have the bilateral stimulation on another screen in your practice. You can control everything from here, from your EMDR cockpit, and your client views the bilateral stimulation graphically on another device. If you click remote, then you see the video transmission here in the top left, and right next to it, you see what it looks like so you see the bilateral stimulation. Genau, exactly. That was it.